Hi everyone. So today we're gonna discuss about the development of Notochord, which is also an important short to say in embryology. So Notochord. So first we have to write the definition of notochord, what notochord is. So notochord is the midline structure that develops in the region lying between the cranial end of the primitive streak and the end of the protocaudal plate. Thus ventral dorsal axis is established. Then we have to write about the steps of development of notochord. So first we have to write about the primitive node or node formation. By thickening and elevation of cranial end of primitive streak, it is called organizer as it regulates laterality and notochord formation. Then we have to write about depression in primitive node, that is primitive pit or blastopore. Then cells in primitive node multiply and pass cranially in midline between ectoderm and endoderm, reaching up to caudal margin or of protocaudal plate, thus forming a solid cord called the notochordal process. Then we have to write about the neuronal canal, that is blastopore cavity extend into notochordal process and connect it to notochordal canal or neuronal canal. Then we can draw a small diagram showing this, but before that there are three more steps. So, floor of notochordal canal breaks down and canal comes to communicate with the yolk sac and amniotic cavity, facilitating nutrition. Wall of canal becomes flattened, therefore canal becomes a flat plate of cells called notochordal plate. Then flattening is reversed, that is proliferation of cells of this tube converted into a solid rod of cells called definitive notochord. So then we have to draw this diagram showing the notochordal process, then notochordal canal, notochordal plate, then definitive notochord. Then we have to write about the functions. So there are three main functions, that is it forms a central axis of developing embryo, then induces formation of neural tube from overlying ectoderm, then provides central column around which vertebral bodies and intervertebral disc develop. Then we have to write about the fate of notochord, that it later disappears and its remnants are seen in the form of nucleus pulposus of intervertebral disc and apical ligament of dens, which has specific importance which we learn in neuroanatomy. So thank you.